Good afternoon, 6th grade. It is Wednesday, April 8th. Hopefully you succeeded in completing your chapter checkup and your quiz and everything went well, because we have left United States. We finished Canada, we finished the United States. Now we're starting to head to South America, because remember, we're in the Western Hemisphere, which means we still have a whole nother half of this continent left to explore. This chapter is going to cover Mexico and Central America, many things which I'm learning for the first time and many things I hope you discover also. This first section is very short, in fact it is only a page. So just a quick read over on this and we will be good to go today, but I'd like your attention please on it. So, 15.1, Middle America. Mexico, Central America, and the West Indies are often called Middle America because they lie between the United States and South America. All three regions are considered parts of the North American continent. In this chapter, you will study the mainland regions of Middle America. We'll cover Mexico and Central America. Canada and the United States are called Anglo-America because English is the main language of these countries. The part of the New World that lies south of the United States is called Latin America. That is because Spanish and other languages developed from Latin are the main tongue of most nations there today. Besides the language difference, other factors distinguish Latin America from Anglo-America. For example, Roman Catholicism is the main religion in Latin America, while Protestantism prevails in Canada and the United States. Pretty much all of your Latin people are Catholic. There's very few Protestants or other religions amongst Latin Americans. Middle America is the location of some of the most spectacular landforms in the Western Hemisphere. Peninsulas, plateaus, mountains, volcanoes, islands, deserts, jungles, rainforests, and beaches combine to make it a region of variety and natural beauty. The map on page 270 will show you that Middle America is nearly surrounded by water. It is bounded on the north by the United States, on the west and south by the Pacific Ocean, and on the east by the Atlantic Ocean and Colombia, South America. With the exception of El Salvador, every country in Middle America has a coast on the Caribbean Sea. Locate Baja California or Lower California, the Gulf of California, and the Isthmus of Panama on the map. As you can see, the Isthmus of Panama is between the North American continent and the South American continent. Locate the Panama Canal, which allows ships to travel between the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. So do that little geography check on the next page, if you would please, for me on page 270. But with that concludes today's lesson. Make sure you do the comprehension check 15A, the questions that I asked you to do on the sheet. That's it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, remember to always send me a text and remind if you have any questions, concerns. And with that, have a good day.